What's up, my people? Welcome back to this YouTube channel at Josh DHD. So today's episode, I'm going to talk about a very amazing drone that you should go and buy. This is about DJI brand. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, do share this video and give it a thumbs up and like and share with many people as you have as friends. So the more you like, the more this helps grow the YouTube algorithm. So and it help my channel grow as well. So on today's episode, we're going to talk about the DJI. Know what it is. When you talk about DJI, they are the most best brand drones I can recommend to anybody who needs a drone for cinematography, video coverage, for content, all around content. You get my point? Yeah, so let's get into the video. So I got the DJI Mavic Air 2 with me. So DJI has Mavic Air 2 and Mavic 2S. So I'm with the Mavic 2. So this is a nice drone that I bet you if you go for this drone, you will never regret it. So there's something very amazing about DJI as a brand. Whenever they are selling out their product, you know that these guys, they are crazy. They are selling something nice. So the drones come with camera. This is a camera. Yeah, amazing camera for shooting 4K video. So it has sensor for focus sensor. Also, so it's a very nice drone. Then we got the battery. So the battery is okay. It can last, depending on if you buy it brand new, it can last you longer. Then we have the remote control. This is the remote control. See how nice the controller looks like. So yeah. So if you are getting into drone stuff, it's nice for you to know what drone you need. And this is for the charging of the battery and the rest. Yeah. Okay. Let me say one or two things. DJI as a drone company take that time and research to make sure that whenever you are buying their drone, you will enjoy it. So this drone has what? Obstacles avoidance. What's obstacles avoidance? Obstacles avoidance means this drone doesn't crash when it sees a stick, when it sees a block, when it sees something in front of it, it doesn't affect. So that is one of the reasons. Then secondly, it has air sense. So it's kind of a safety air sense technology. Actively avoid to stay where the flight is. So the DJI flying app, the DJI Zoom flying app that you can download on Google Play Store and your app iOS store, so that you can always enjoy the drone. Whenever you are shooting content, you know what you're shooting, you always see it. Then lastly, it has the remote controller, which I've shown you this. So let's try to see what this drone has. Let's turn it on. Let's see whether the drone is still working or not. So position. After positioning the battery, see the drone has a good shape now. A very nice, well looking shape. Then click on this button to power the drone. Once you click on it once, tap it twice. Activated. Okay, let's move on. So by the time you are done with that process, you see that the drone has two different LED indicators. So it has this red and this guy here, which can be helpful at night whenever you're flying a drone. This helps you at night. Whenever you're shooting your content, this particularly helps you at night. Keeps you in a good mood whenever you're shooting content. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel at Josh DHD. So turning on the controller, 1, 2, activated. So once you're done with that, I think you need to drag both sides closer. So I told you to drag the both sides closer. So once you are done doing that, you see that the drone will work. It will be working fine. So enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to bring your drone for repair and servicing at my workspace. I remain Joshua Daniel. Welcome to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Peace.